Hi, I'm Kristen White, Human Resources Compliance Consultant at Morrison Garritano. Our topic today is ACA Affordability. The Affordable Care Act has an employer shared responsibility provision called the employer mandate, or some refer to it as play or pay, mean either meet the mandate or pay a penalty. Now, this mandate only applies to companies considered an applicable large employer. And part of that mandate is to offer affordable medical coverage. The IRS affordability penalty applies only for those full-time employees who waive your employer-sponsored coverage and enroll in subsidized coverage through a public exchange and qualify for a premium tax credit. Affordability is based on the employee portion of the monthly cost of single coverage for the lowest cost plan. This is all based on what is offered to the employee just to cover themselves in the medical plan. For ACA purposes, you don't need to take into account if the employee elects a more expensive plan or chooses to enroll their spouse and children. The IRS provides 3 safe harbor options. The first, Federal Poverty Level Safe Harbor. This is the easiest to use because it's based on the same threshold for all employees. However, it can make affordability harder to meet. Next, move on to the Rate of Pay Safe Harbor. This is the most common, but you need to check each employee's rate of pay against the medical premium you offer to them. Lastly, check the W-2 Wages Safe Harbor. This is a similar concept to the Rate of Pay Safe Harbor, but it takes into account all compensation for the calendar year. For some, that can be more generous, but outcome is uncertain until the end of the year once W-2 income is known. You're not required to choose the safe harbor until you prepare ACA reporting, which is Q1 of the following year. However, you want to consider the safe harbors to set your employer contributions for your plan year. Each year, the IRS releases the affordability percentage for plans starting the next calendar year. Now, that percentage applies for your whole plan year, even if you have a non-calendar year plan. Next, we recommend you review resources we have on the Morrison Garritano website. There's much more detailed information, including the IRS rates, formulas, examples, plus a calculator tool. Thank you for watching.